Hello friends, welcome back to the Be Simply Wonderful channel. I am Samantha, and in this video review I am going to clear up some doubts about the best product against dark spots on the skin, the Admire My Skin TRIFECTA Glow system. I'll also tell you if TRIFECTA Glow works, if it's good, and if it really is everything people have been talking about. The first point I want to bring up here in this video is a very important warning about the TRIFECTA Glow. Be careful with the site where you will buy the product if you decide to buy it, because unfortunately there are people selling TRIFECTA Glow improperly. Most likely, you will see this product being sold in online stores and you may purchase a non-original product. Today, the safest way to buy TRIFECTA Glow is through the official website, and, to help you, I left the link to the official website just below, in the description of this video, and through it you will not have any problems purchasing the product, okay? I'm excited to introduce you to the Admire My Skin TRIFECTA Glow system. The unique 3-step extra strength dark spot system. This has helped over 18,213 women eliminate the appearance of dark spots and achieve beautiful, clear skin. Girls, you need to know this product as soon as possible. Let me tell you sincerely. If you want to immediately erase the look of even stubborn dark spots or age spots on your face, or to vanish the appearance of dark spots. If you are black, brown, olive, or tan in complexion and you are worried about uneven fading, this will work beautifully for you. Here's how the TRIFECTA Glow system works. Get rid of the appearance of dark, age, sun, and liver spots. Step 1. Ultra-Potent Brightening Serum. The revolutionary Ultra-Potent Brightening Serum is without a doubt one of the most effective dark spot correctors on the market today. Believe me. The producer combined the best of science and nature. He poured everything he had into creating this fantastic formula. And I'm proud to share it with you today. You won't find a better way to fade the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. The formula uses the gold standard skin lightening ingredient, clinically proven synovia. And that's why this is so unique. Exclusive formula includes the best breakout fighter on the planet, salicylic acid, clears occasional breakouts, minimizes enlarged pores, and smooths skin without redness, leaving your skin healthy and glowing. All-natural skin lightener, azelaic acid. This is one of those skincare ingredients that goes under the radar. And I can't figure out why. It's fabulous for your skin. Research shows that azelaic acid helps unclog pores, greatly reduces skin discoloration, and refines the skin's surface to reveal a more even skin tone. Clear Skin Revealer, lactic acid. A purified form of lactic acid hydrates and exfoliates the surface layers of the skin. Lactic acid eliminates discolored, dull skin, to quickly reveal your new clear, radiant complexion. Skin Texture Refiner, Vitamin C. They used a stable form of vitamin C that stimulates collagen production and minimizes wrinkles to give you firm, smooth skin. It's time to hydrate and get glowing with Step 2, Citrus Glow Drops, Vitamin C Facial Dry Oil. Once the Ultra-Potent Brightening Serum has penetrated deep into your skin and continues to work hard to fade the appearance of dark spots and bring clearer, brighter skin to the surface, you now need an all-natural way to hydrate your face. Since the advanced skin lightening and exfoliating power of the Ultra-Potent Brightening Serum may cause your skin to feel a little dry. This is a perfectly normal part of the process, okay? And that's why Citrus Glow Drops was created as a special dry oil to hydrate your face while the Ultra-Potent Brightening Serum is working behind the scenes. This is simply fantastic, don't you think? This 100% natural and luxurious vitamin C-based beauty oil won't cause breakouts. It works on all skin types, even if you have oily skin, combination skin, or dry skin. Your skin craves moisture. To this were added 3 oils: Radiance Boosting Argan Oil, Brightening Rosehip Oil, Soothing Sea Buckthorn Oil. And, to get your flawless skin to rise to the surface, you must boost skin cell renewal. Step 3, Clinically Effective Retinoid Cream. Before your head hits the pillow, it's time to target glycation. Glycation is like when you notice brown spots on a ripe banana. which is likely the cause of these dark spots. When your face develops brown spots, or age spots, liver spots, or sun spots. While a banana and our skin are very different, however both are subject to the damaging properties of glycation. We also must prevent new stains from forming. That's why at night, after cleaning the face, you'll reapply the Ultra-Potent Brightening Serum and add in step 3. The third stage of the TRIFECTA Glow system creates rapid skin cell turnover, is our Clinically Effective Retinoid Cream. Trust me when I say you're going to want to do this. The anti-aging, clinically effective anti-wrinkle retinoid cream is part of your nightly ritual, just like brushing your teeth. This science-backed potent retinoid cream works just as well as prescription Retin-A. You'll see dramatic results when you use it nightly. In studies done, participants who used clinically effective retinoid cream for 6 weeks experienced a 52% reduction in the appearance of their wrinkles, and 70% reduction in redness. The Admire My Skin TRIFECTA Glow system simply works. Now, I'm going to give you some important information. TRIFECTA Glow has a promotional price and shipping is completely free, and if you don't like the product or think it's not for you, just return it with the unopened bottles within 60 days and you'll get all your money back without any problems. Having to answer a single question. Simply put, you only pay if you are completely convinced it works for you. It seems good? Then place your order for the Admire My Skin system, TRIFECTA Glow, by clicking on the link that I will leave in the description of this video, and you will be directed to a 100% secure order page to review your order. Well girls, I gave as much information as I could and I hope I helped. And if you liked this video and believe that it brought you some benefit, leave your opinion in the comments below, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more valuable content like this.